Hi, Champion Trading Corporation. We're demonstrating a Hytrol incline belt conveyor. It's got 1.5-inch cleats on 3-foot centers. It's a variable speed. I'll show you. It varies. It's also adjustable in height, starting at 30-inch on the feed section. It goes to 10-foot high. It also can be changed a variety of configurations on lowering and adjusting the height. We're lowering it now. It's got 2 cylinders, and it's got variable speed drive. It's very clean. It appears to be in an almost unused condition. Is it fair to say for a used equipment guy to say that? Oh. It operates easily and up and down. It's adjusting to probably about under 9 feet high. So there's some adjustment on the one side. There's also adjustment up and down on this side. Goes up and down very easily, and it can be seen on our website, champtrading.com. Thanks for visiting today.